Welcome back. Well, it was a nice one again out there today. Some high clouds across the area, but all in all, not a bad day. Chilly start, a little bit milder this afternoon. We got into the low to mid 60s, but milder weather for sure. And that's going to be the trend as we head throughout the weekend up until Saturday night. That's when we could see some intense storms. So let's take a look at the big picture here and put things in motion. And again, generally, we're looking at those high level cirrus clouds streaming across the region, but you can see back to the west, a whopper of a storm system setting up, also with an atmospheric river. In fact, let me just go ahead and move this on over, and you can see this storm system right here, and it's got lots of energy and an atmospheric river coming with it, and this is going to be plowing into the west, and some of that energy will manifest our way as we head into Saturday afternoon and evening, when we do expect storms and maybe some intense ones in the Pac Northwest. It's flood watches and some warnings already going in the west, and then snow advisories. That's what we're depicting mostly here. Snow advisories and winter storm warnings through the intermountain portions of the west through the Rockies. Meanwhile, for us, again, not bad. Pretty sunset this evening with generally fair skies, and those cirrus clouds thinned out. They were thick from time to time, but more high clouds coming in later on tonight. And with winds turning around out of the southeast, we're not going to be quite as chilly. We'll call it cool, but we'll bottom out near 50, rising into the low to mid 50s by tomorrow morning. Into the afternoon we go. A few spotty showers, a couple of weak disturbances that will ride through, so we might see about a 30% chance of a few showers, but they're going to be very brief in nature and be moving along, so just more of a nuisance than anything else. Upper 60s, lower 70s, and notice our winds will be picking up out of the south at about 10 to 15, maybe gusting up to about 20, and it stays breezy and mild tomorrow night. We hold in the 60s, and then as we head into Saturday's going to be a tough call on when we see the rain and storms, but it looks like more toward the evening than during the day. In fact, we may see a little sun early Saturday, and temperatures topping out upper 70s to near 80 degrees, but do not get used to it. First off, the front begins to move on through. Here we are at 7 o'clock Saturday evening. Showers and some thunderstorms becoming scattered to broken, and then maybe a solid line coming through Acadiana, and this is what we will be watching. We're going to have what we call a little bit of a squall line. It's an organized solid line of thunderstorms that could be capable of producing isolated damaging winds. So that's what we're looking at. Here's 10 o'clock Saturday evening. The graph model, give or take about 4, 5, 6 hours based on how far out away we are from this, and we'll get the time honed in, but it's been looking during the evening hours for the last couple of days. Well, storms push eastward after about midnight, then windy. Look at the pressure gradient here. Windy and much cooler in the 40s to start Sunday, and we're going to see gusts in the 30-mile-per-hour range Sunday afternoon, with temperatures only topping out in the mid-50s, and then come Sunday night, Monday morning, low to mid-30s. Here's the severe weather outlook per the Storm Prediction Center, and they have not changed much their outlook for a slight risk, a level 2 out of 5 for severe storms. It's really going to manifest Texas, I think, maybe western Louisiana, northeast Louisiana, but as those storms move eastward, they're going to be running out of some of the energy that could produce storms. But sometimes you get a ball rolling and get it in motion, it can have some momentum. So we'll be watching for that primary threat, which will be damaging winds. In fact, if we break it down on your severe weather threat, very low tornado threat at all. Again, wind gusts in the 45 to 60 mile per hour range probably will be common in a few storms, and severe usually over 65. So that's the potential for severe weather. Hail, not expecting a whole lot, and this is going to be moving quickly. Don't expect a whole lot of rain. I would think a ½ inch to maybe an inch of rain in some spots. Northern portions of Acadiana getting more, southern portions of Acadiana getting less. Things will be moving along, so no flooding is anticipated. So temperatures tonight holding in the 50s for most of Acadiana. Upper 40s may be the low, though. Upper 60s to lower 70s tomorrow afternoon. We stay in the 60s through tomorrow night, and as we head into Saturday afternoon, upper 70s, a balmy day. Still breezy too as well. So overnight tonight, again, not as chilly. Clouds on the increase. Generally fair skies early, but you'll see those clouds coming in from the west and southwest as the night wears on and we get closer to daybreak. Then tomorrow's going to be a mostly cloudy day. A few isolated showers with your rain chance in the 30% range, and the winds increasing especially into the afternoon hours at about 15 gusts to 20. Here's your rain chances late p.m. on that 60% Saturday, and that's a soft 60%. Do not cancel your daytime plans, but anytime after 5 or 6 o'clock, it'll be on with rain and storms, ending by midnight, windy and much cooler for Sunday, and cool next week. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up right after the break.